guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am here with a very special guest, Milo!
Excuse me?
I mean Emiliana, yeah.
Yes.
Emiliana is
Hi,
our special
guys.
guest, yeah.
Milo.
I'm just kidding. But anyways, guys, today I'm here, okay, let's fix this a little bit. Today I'm here with Emiliana.
Hello.
Milo's in love with her, and me, so. And
Super Milo.
so here we have bowls, and we're going to be making slime, and not just any slime, like for fun, like the other videos we've made, but like a slime challenge.
Yes.
So we have glitter, we have beads, we have magical liquid, we have borax activator, we have paint, we have markers, we have colorful foam beads, we have clear glue. We have instant snow. Instant snow. We have forks and we have bowls. So, yeah, and we also have bubbles if you want to make bubbles for fun.
Okay.
So, here you go.
Thank you.
But anyways, guys, let's get started with the video.
Borax and magical liquid.
Yeah, I said that already.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wasn't paying attention.
Oh,
yeah.
God. Oh my God, no wonder.
Okay.
Just kidding. Anyways, so we have these two bottles of clear glue here.
Yes.
So yeah. So here you go.
Thank you.
And here me go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make slime, but we're gonna try to make it better than our competitors slime. And in this challenge, in this video, we're not friends, okay? So yeah.
Yeah.
And you're not coming out very much.
Okay.
Oh.
Milo's in the background playing.
Milo. Oh, that's my eraser. Mess it up.
Oops.
Milo, how dare you? You're gonna mess it up, mister. You know what? I don't care.
I was like reaching down to grab the eraser. He's like, meh.
Got it!
Yay!
All right. Anyhow, you guys heard nothing. I can, that was me.
Yeah.
Okay, anyways, let's get started.
Okay.
Friendship has been broken. I'm just kidding. Get up so we can make the slime.
Okay.
Alright.
We get to use all of it?
Yeah.
Oh, yay.
And if you want to make a bigger slime, because it's going to go in a sandwich bag, just go right there. It's a big bottle. So let's take the fork out.
Look.
It's farting.
There. Milo, stop. He's like, what's that? You are very nosy. No. No, I'll give you some cuddles, but not right now. Come on. Oh. Come here. Milo.
Okay, I think I have all my glue out.
Yay, Milo made it.
Do you think you have all your glue out?
No, it looks like I didn't.
Okay, I think mine's all out.
I'm making a huge mess.
Oh, God. That's why we have this, because this desk is not mine. It's my sister. She left it here.
Ooh.
I can use it. So that's why. As you guys can see there, I have a bunch of like drawings that I drew. And I drew them, guys, with a video tutorial. So like, I'm just so good at following directions.
As you can see, I'm not.
Did you get your progress report signed already?
No, not yet.
Wait, hold on. Before we do anything else, I just really want to like show off my grades.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. I'm gonna tell you something.
Oh.
I got a straight A.
Cool. I got these and peas.
Okay, so what I'm going to do now.
That was me, sorry.
That was Milo. Okay. Should I add the glitter? I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter. So I'm going to add.
Okay, I'm done with the glue.
I'm gonna add this iridescent glitter as well as the silver glitter, and yeah, let's do it. Always use the holes, but if it's chunky glitter and it doesn't want to come out, then just use the open one.
So many choices.
Okay, so I think there might be
I
some.
want this one too. I have an idea. Yeah. Okay, let's add a bit of this, not too much. Think about that much.
It's my favorite glitter, so don't use too much of it. And then some silver. Let's put that over here. Okay, I just dropped it.
Emiliana, what are you doing?
Let's show some close-ups. Oh my god, look how pretty that looks, Emiliana. Okay,
I'm just over here like, what are you looking at?
I'm looking at your slime, girl.
Oh, wow. I'm doing something like inspired right now, so I don't know what it is.
Oh god, mine looks so good. Should I just like not put color in this?
If you
Okay,
want.
hold on, I'll be back. You keep entertaining the viewers. I'm gonna go
Hey guys.
let my little out because he's being such a little annoying dog right now. Go bye. Bye.
Trivia question for now. What is your favorite type of slime? Comment in the section below.
You know what I'm gonna do?
Oh, what?
Let's add some foam beads. Careful.
They're
Very
so
careful.
Okay, I'm gonna take the yarn out because I grabbed the yarn. Ooh. Mine's like a party, cute little theme. I was gonna do Valentine's theme, but since I added the foam beads, I'm like, never mind.
I mean, okay, so I'm gonna add that. Mine just looks like a beautiful, like unicorn ocean right now.
Look at mine. We both added pink.
But obviously mine's gonna be the best.
What? Kidding.
Get your arm out of me.
I'm adding foam.
Unlike other people, I didn't put too much pink, man. I'm just kidding. You're just like, okay. Look at this beauty. My god. I love it. Okay, anyhowsies. We don't want to make this video too long, so we should probably start activating.
I just can't stop staring. I want to add a bit of instant foam, but at the same time I don't. I think I'm going to leave it. Yeah, I'm going to leave it. It's
Yeah,
so
because we want
cool.
it to be clear, you know? We want it to be beautiful.
So pretty.
I'm going to add some of this gold. You do know you added copper, right?
That's alright. That's pretty.
You're just like, that's alright. It's pretty. It's fine. So adding the gold specks of golden nuggets. There. And then we're gonna add chunky silver. We're gonna add some silver chunky glitter.
I didn't see that one, but that's
It
alright.
was behind the big glue. Alright. And then a little bit of this blue here. Blue is my favorite color, if you guys didn't know, so I'm gonna use only a little bit because I only have a little bit of it.
I'm gonna just go crazy with it, but I don't want to change the color because I really like the color. So I'm just probably gonna leave it. So I'm just gonna add this. Okay.
Oh my god. I love this slime. Look at that. It's beautiful. Mine just looks like it has a little like a pinch of pink glitter and foam beads, and then it just looks like pink heaven.
Yes, pink heaven.
Pink heaven. Okay, so now I'm gonna start activating. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a little bit of this magical liquid. It's been through a lot, so just try not to get the dry glue in your slime. Okay. Like that. Go there. And
I don't know how much to add.
when I don't know how much to add.
I'm just gonna add a bit
I just
at a
put
time.
it in the cap. You know? Just like
Whoa.
I'm mixing it very slowly so it can be a little more clear in the end.
We all love clear slime. I should add less glitter.
It's fine though.
I like it.
I'm gonna add more glitter when I'm done anyway, so like.
And mark.
It looks like the slime was activated, but then it just got overreacted and melted at the same time.
Ooh. Okay. I'm
So
gonna
it
add the
looks like-
cap.
I'm just gonna mix.
Okay. What is the magical liquid made out of?
I have no idea. It's probably just like.
Whoa, look at that. That doesn't even look like water or a liquid.
Yeah, it looks like jello.
Jello, melted jello.
Plop. Plop.
For some reason, it makes it look more clear.
Yeah. Because borax is like foggy.
Foggy.
I'm gonna add a little bit of borax though.
Yeah.
Because that activator that I made, I accidentally put a lot of borax, so it's very strong. It's gonna activate my slime a little bit more. So.
Okay, let's just start mixing it really hard. It still looks clear. Okay, so I'm gonna have to be really careful with the borax, because as Vanessa says, it's very overactivated.
Oh my god. So I just totally forgot that we had this slime. This paint. So this little thing, this one right here is glow in the dark, and then these are just regular colors, okay?
Ooh,
But the glow in the dark might not work because you might are you gonna dye your slime with markers?
I don't know. I'll see.
Because if you dye it with markers, then it's probably not gonna work for the glow in the dark. So, yeah.
Will it really notice in the clear slime?
What? I'm just she's like,
Okay.
be quiet.
Be quiet, Emiliana, before you spill it.
Oh my god, mine looks so beautiful. It looks more like, oh, you know what it looks? You know that project Miss Davis gave us? Miss Davis is our teacher.
Yes.
But anyways,
that's really sad.
Have you gone to the slide where it has the we have to put the circles with the gas and the liquid and stuff?
I think so. I don't remember.
You have to put circles in how the way they are in
No, I don't think I got to that one.
Well, anyways, in that one, it's what our slime looks like. The foam beads. It looks like those little particles in a gas.
Oh, those particle things.
Yeah, the little particle thingy molecule, whatever.
Wow. You know what? Science is slime.
Slime is science. It's not science, it's slime.
Where's the borax? I need more.
Over here. Hold on, let me get more first.
Okay.
Oops. My slime needs more activated.
Yeah, because yours has way more glue.
No, just because I haven't added that much activator.
Oh.
Use the handle before you drop it all over here.
Okay.
That was a lot.
I had a panic attack.
Okay, can you move the magical liquid, please?
Oh, okay.
What? It's getting activated?
Yes.
Yeah.
I hope it won't overactivate because I think I added.
Mine looks like it's starting to come together.
Yes.
Now.
Yes. It's coming.
Look at this.
Okay, wait. I need to mix it really hard and I don't want to drop anything. Wow. I really like it. It's so clumpy. But it's going to turn nice.
So I'm going to add a little bit more of this magical liquid. I just realized how cool it is.
Slime. It looks so pretty. We made kind of the same exact slime, but just different shape. Well,
for real though, we're supposed to be making ours better than yours or the other components, and we're just literally copying each other's. But mine is gonna be different because it's gonna be a different color. It's not gonna be pink like yours. But anyways, hopefully.
Pretty. You know what I do to save containers for slime?
What?
I get the glue bottle and put the slime back in.
Well, how are you supposed to do that? It's small opening.
I know, right? But I still do it.
You're just like, okay, so if you go like this. And then when you get it out, you're just like, oh, come out, slime.
Yes.
I'm gonna add a little bit more foam beads.
Yas, queen. Where's my? Oh, you left him out.
Left.
Yes, because I'm like, is he so calm? Okay.
He's.
I feel like I'm eating spaghetti. Like it's just.
I know.
I'm
It's
just
just like. Imagine if you actually put it in your mouth.
Ugh.
You'd be like, Emiliana, mother, we gotta go to the hospital before she dies.
Yummy.
Don't eat it. If you
Okay.
eat it, I'm not taking responsibility for your death.
Oh, okay. That's dark. Hi, it's NBC News. Today we're going to talk about this little girl's death.
Today we're
by
going to
eating
talk
some-
about Kobe Bryant's death.
Oh, that's fine.
If you guys didn't know, Kobe Bryant died.
Yes.
If you're young, like a baby, and you're watching my channel, stop. We're talking about something serious here. But he died, and he was very inspirational to other people. And I just wanted to say, if you were a fan of Kobe Bryant,
Like this video.
yes. I'm just kidding. I'm pretty sure he's okay with the life he's in right now, and we'll put everybody in our prayers, his family in our prayers, and hope that they are doing good. So, yeah. But anyways, back to what we are really here for.
Okay.
Slime.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Do you know the virus spreading around?
Yeah.
Okay. So Angelo told me this meme. He's like, this. I saw this on TikTok. He's like, when the teacher announces there's a new kid in the class, a Chinese guy walks in, everyone with their gas masks on, and they're just like, I'm like, what the heck? My dad actually thought it was real because I told him. He's like, that's not real. I'm like, that's not real. He's like, oh. I don't know why, but it's just so satisfying mixing it. Do you think we should pause the video and tell him, and we'll get right back when the
Yeah.
slimes are done
Okay, so we're gonna activate our slimes, and we'll be back
to show you the results.
we're done, and to add the rest of our stuff. But we're just gonna activate it because it's taking forever. So, yeah, guys, we'll be right back.
Bye for now.
Let me just. Okay, guys.
We had some juicy conversations.
Yes, and we're not gonna share any of it.
Yes.
So like, yeah, that's the tea. But anyways, guys, here are our slimes, and I kind of overacted mine a little bit, but it's still much more beautiful than hers.
Oh.
But obviously,
This is
we're
mine.
still not done yet. Mine still looks a little bare and white, and like
Mine's is very light pink.
But anyways. Look at mine, it's beautiful. I'm going to call it Unicorn Lake, something like that. So,
Oh no.
we have the choice of glow in the dark, or these colors, or markers. So, I'm going to dye mine.
I'm just taking the extra
Okay,
slime
so-
out of the bowl.
Get this down. Okay. And then this one. So I have these colors here. These colors like a teal blue and like a lighter blue. But anyways, we're gonna
A random noise in the back.
so we're gonna add that.
Look at this extra clumpiness.
Okay.
I'm gonna add it to the side, just in case.
And then the blue.
Okay, there.
And then we're gonna add a little bit
Let's add more
of
foam
this,
beads. Where's the foam beads? Oh,
this
Emiliana, are you blind?
glow in the dark paint here. So we'll add a little bit because I'm gonna add marker into it. And I don't want
Add more
to
beads.
ruin
Oh
the
no.
glow. I want it to glow
There.
in the dark. So hopefully the yellow glow in the dark paint doesn't really like mess with the blues.
I think it will.
With the colors, I mean. Oh,
It didn't.
You don't know that it's not completely mixed.
I want some glow in the dark. Okay, so they're all glow in the dark, right?
Yeah, those are the only ones. These are the only glow in the dark ones.
I'm gonna use the lightest color so I won't mess up it. Okay. And then maybe at the end we'll test out the glow.
Okay, I think it kind of activated this one. 'Cause it's hard now.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Set a little bit, because...
I'm not gonna mix it. I'm gonna just see if it actually works, okay? Be right back. Ow.
You're gonna turn off the light?
Yes. Oh my god, it's actually glowing? Oh no, that's the light of the camera.
It's not glowing
I'm like,
at all.
oh my
Like, not
God.
even the paint is glowing. Like, you guys can... Like, literally, the paint wasn't even glowing.
Oh my god, this is a scam.
This is such a scam.
Elmer's, make your products better.
No, this is just like a packet. It's not, just a packet of paint. It's not this one. The Elmer's, well, glow in the dark, if they made glow in the dark paint, I'm pretty sure they did, but yeah, whatever. Anyways, they'll probably have it much more better.
Should we do like a little round of stretchiness and then like bubbly?
Like the slime test, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're definitely doing that, but
Not right now.
not right now, because we still need to finish up with our
I
presentations.
Make fluffy snow.
I mean, you can add it just like that, but I don't know if we'll ruin it. I don't think we will.
I'm gonna add like just a pinch. I don't think that's gonna do anything, but it's worth the try. How do you open this? Ages 6+. What?
We're only 5 years old. We can't use this. I'm just kidding.
I'm a very tall
Don't tell
5-year-old.
your age because it's personal information.
Yes.
Here.
Thank you. I'm 1 year old, you guys.
I'm 5. I'm older than you.
Do I have to add water? Or you
I
can
mean,
just add it in?
If you add water, your slime is not gonna be clear because the snow's white. But I think if you just add it like that, I don't think it would really affect it. I don't know though. Just add a little bit though because you don't want to mess it up. I'm going to add a little bit. This looks perfect. It looks like mine looks like a kind of like a.
We're like the opposite colors.
Like we used to be like the exact same thing.
Now we're just
kind
like
of.
no.
Now we're just like I hate yours. Like no, I need to change it.
I want to test out the instant snow on this little bit of slime I have.
Let me see how it feels.
It's really clumpy.
It's overactivated.
It was in the bowl. The extra.
Is this your like final slime? Like this is mine. I made it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is just look at her ugliness that she made. It even bounces, man.
Even bounces.
I'm just kidding.
All right.
Oh, let's make some bubbles.
Is that water? Because I can use that for instant.
Water?
That.
Which one was there?
Oh, okay. Can I use it?
Yes, you can. I'm gonna make some bubbles.
Is that how much water I need? Or do I need more?
I don't know, just try that.
Alright.
Wow, did you guys see that?
Wow. What the?
Oh! Mix it.
Okay. Kidding, no. I thought we'd like be like.
Oh, wow. Look at those bubbles.
I think it needs more instant snow because it's not doing anything.
Okay.
I'm gonna make this cloud slime actually. So I'm not gonna add a lot of
It's not gonna have a very good texture. Look at this. Look at this. Look.
Oh my god, it's a double bubble.
Aw.
Okay, that's enough instant snow because I'm done with this because I don't know.
Did you see
That was a big one. I'm done with messing with this stuff. Whoa, this actually like snow. Wow.
So guys, this is the snow, and if you add glitter to it, it looks really nice.
It feels like snow. Oh my god. If you just put it in the freezer like not in the freezer, I mean, like in the refrigerator, then it's gonna feel like snow because it's gonna be cold. Wow. We can share it if I don't really use a lot of it.
I'm gonna add a little bit of it though.
Okay.
Just like that.
I'm gonna just test it a chunk of it, just to see if I'm gonna like the consistency. Okay,
It's a little sticky.
okay, I think I'm gonna like it, so I'm gonna risk it.
Don't add too much because it gets sticky. Because
Oh, okay.
remember, snow melts slime.
Not much for now. Let's see.
So actually, I have this slime I've been meaning to fix, but I can't really fix. This yellow cloud slime. I think I made it in a video. I don't know if I did, but I'm pretty sure I did. This is yellow one. If you guys remember it, don't touch it. It's sticky.
Oh.
But it has like a very cloudy thing, but the reason, you guys probably like, just add like borax or something. I can't because I'm missing shaving cream.
I'm risking it.
My Lord Jesus, man. But there's shaving cream upstairs in the bathroom, so I'm gonna do this later. But yeah,
God.
probably one of the next videos will. Well, I'm gonna save it. But anyways, so it's a surprise for you guys that my friend here knows.
Yes, and I will
So-
tell you guys.
Because it's a secret.
Yes.
What happened to your YouTube channel, man? I've been meaning to like promo your channel out, but like, I mean, you don't have it anymore. But like, why?
I don't know, actually. Can you add some activator?
Which one?
Whichever one.
Oh my god, I told you. We're just
Cloud slime.
this one.
Okay.
Mix that first. I mean,
some of
it's
the
not
sticky
that
slime.
bad, I guess. Be careful.
Oh my god, what did I do to my slime?
I'm just saying, if you want, before you leave, you can make another one and leave that one here.
Okay.
But I think we all know who's gonna win. Or
Add a bunch of activators.
or if you want, we can pause the video and you can make a new one.
Okay,
And
I'll
just
see.
like restart the thing.
I'll see. Okay, can you add activator if this turns out well? Like a bunch. I didn't mean that much.
I'm sorry.
That's alright. We need this to activate.
Oops, mine's a little activated.
Oh, okay, there we go. It's starting to build
form.
up. Yes. Okay, we'll pause the video and I'll come back with
We'll
my
come
slimes.
back when her mess is cleaned up.
Yeah. Like very cleaned up, like very tidy.
Okay, guys, so here we have Emiliana's mess made into slime that I fixed, not her. And I'm not joking around. I actually fixed it,
Yeah.
right, Emiliana?
Yes.
And then I went ahead and added some hair gel to mine. This is mine without like a little bit of snow, but with a little bit of snow. But
Milo's chilling on her lap.
and we have Milo again. Say hi. Say something to the camera.
Kidding, no. He understands my language.
Okay, bye, Milo. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you for your visit.
So,
Happy visit.
are you done with your slime? Like, are you
I want
done
to add
adding-
more color because I feel like the color is just too light. So I'm going to grab a...
I'm gonna do this.
I went, Excuse me, that was not me.
That was
That
the
was the
door. That when
yeah.
Milo left.
There's a water bottle that fell.
Or actually no, that wasn't the door. That was I stepped on a bottle and it made that noise.
Yeah, that's why it fell. That was definitely not me.
No, that's not why it fell. It fell because it fell. I stepped on it. Remember, I stepped on it.
Yes. I totally.
Look how good this looks. This looks like a marble.
You added snow?
No.
Oh my god, that looks like a marble.
Right?
Mm-hmm. Aha! What am I doing? Like, what the heck?
Is it still sticky?
No. I might get another container at home so I can put it in. I'm gonna just show it to school and be like, hey, look at my new fluffy slime. I totally made it without Vanessa's help. Totally.
And they're gonna be like, who's Vanessa? And then I'm gonna be like, did you just say my name? Like, do you not know who I am? Like, I'm gonna kill you.
This girl's psycho.
Okay, so I think I am done with my slime.
Me too.
Now, I'm going to work on my presentation. So,
wait, is this, what type of paint is this? Normal?
I don't know. So I think it just came in a pack.
Okay, we'll add this. Whoa, that's weird. Look, it's like buttery. That's cool. Okay, Pinkalicious. There. I have a habit of just when I'm opening a paint and I can't close it, I just close it with my mouth. That's what I was about to do right now. I'm like, this is Vanessa's paint. Okay, I'm done coloring mine. You know, it's like very light pink, but I love it.
It actually looks nice,
Oh
but
my god, yours is like so pretty.
mine is called. Wait, we're standing up. They're not even seeing what we're doing.
We're just like,
sorry.
We're just like, that's so pretty.
We're beginners, okay? I'm a beginner YouTube channel person.
So she's not used to it.
And so yeah, because like when I make slime, I stand up. So yeah, but
same over here.
so I'm going to. You should probably work on your presentation before I win.
All right. Should we start our presentation?
Yes, start on your presentation.
All right. Let's move over. Move all this up so it's just the slime inside. Okay.
And then
I need to pull up my pants.
Wow.
Wow. That looks like those dumplings. It looks like a dumpling.
How dare you compare my slime to something? It's the one and only unicorn lake.
Ooh, okay. I
How-
said
why-
dumplings.
Why'd you just oop me? Oof me, I mean.
Are we gonna, let's clean this side because I don't want it to get activated again.
Yeah.
Oh, can I use that yellow? Thank you. Thank you.
And I haven't. Oh, I used a lot of green. I thought I haven't used it a lot for some reason. Where did all my glitter go, man? I feel like I lost some. This.
Pretty. I can't see it.
And this. And this. Mine is going flat.
Okay, I'm gonna. That's like the worst swirl ever. Okay.
History.
Let's just add a bit of this. This is how my presentation will look like.
I have to hurry up with my glitter before it falls again. Stay intact, man. Just hurry and go. I don't care.
Okay, there.
And for the last touch, or almost the last touch, we gotta add the most beautiful glitter of all.
I haven't used orange.
And a little bit of these beads. Yours actually looks nice. I
Alright.
thought yours would be hideous, but anyhow.
Anyhow.
Okay, so guys,
Just ignore what we said.
so we are here.
You're way taller than me.
I'm so tall. I have to look at her down.
I need to.
She's all the way. She's an ant, guys. She's so small.
I know.
But anyhow, oh, we just stay like that. Just stick that.
I'm still sorry.
I'll like no. Okay. All right. But anyways, guys, we have finished our slimes, and we will now show them and present them.
Yes.
So,
Who wants
would you
to
like to go first?
Okay, because it's gonna fall off the table.
Yeah.
All right. So. Okay. Can you hold it? Thank you. Okay. So this is my slime. It is cloud slime, as you can tell, or maybe. And it has a bunch of glitter. It's very soft. And it makes a lot of nice noises. It's clear slime, but there is...
It's very sizzly. I'm moving it for effect.
Yes. And it's very huge, which I really like the fact. And it's kind of like Vanessa's, but it's just pink and it's...
No,
fluffy.
it's not like mine at all.
Yes, it is.
Mine isn't pink. Mine is a cloudy.
And it's
I
very
didn't-
nice and
yeah.
fluffy. So yeah, it's my little presentation.
Do some ASMR.
I'm moving the whole thing. Okay, let's retry that. That was really bad. I'm done. Vanessa's in the
guys.
background. Okay, we're done.
It's because mine is already falling apart. You can't even tell it was a swirl. But anyhow, so my slime, it's Unicorn Lake. That's why it's flat and it's very glittery, as you can see.
Do you want me to hold the camera?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, so I have this beautiful unicorn lake, and there's like specks of the unicorn lake on the outside because that's how it is, obviously. So, now, this is Unicorn Lake, as you know. It has a story, which is too long to be told.
Ah, the slime stuck in my arm.
I will stretch.
Whoa.
Hi, guys! All right, now put it back. And here it is. So the story was, don't show my closet.
Sorry.
Was, one day it was just a normal lake with nothing. It was bare. It was blue. One day, a mermaid came along. The mermaid, she used all her magic, and she fixed the lake and made it the Candy Unicorn Lake. There was unicorns on the island when she came. She put the unicorns there. The unicorns drink the water and eat from the water because all these little specks of colorful things are food. But anyways, guys, let's do some ASMR. Leave it like that, okay? Okay, that's all.
Yay!
Okay, time to end this video because it's more than half an hour long.
Okay.
But anyways, guys, that was all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
And
Hit the notification bell when you hit the subscribe button and give the video a big thumbs up.
comment if you like my slime. Comment hashtag Emiliana for the win.
Hashtag Team Emiliana. But if you like my slime better, hashtag Team Van Van.
Okay, you can spell my name. This is how you spell my name. Team and then EMILIANA.
Or you can just do hashtag Team Emmy,
Yes.
EMI for
Yes.
shorter. And mine is hashtag Team Van, if you liked mine. And yeah, that was all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, as I said earlier. But anyways, I would really appreciate it. Anyways, guys,
We'll see you guys
in the next video, probably not with her, but with me. And
I will be in the comments commenting, spamming hashtag Emmy.
hashtag Emmy like 1,000 times, and I'm just like, oh my god. And then I realize it's Emiliana, and then she's like, I didn't do anything. But anyways, guys,
See you guys next time.
bye. Peace out.